So, in part 1, we discuss over, heart, and long face shape. For the long face shape, which are the rectangle or the oblong face shape. Hi, and welcome back to this series, Learn Makeup from Scratch with me. And this is part 2 of knowing your face shape. But first, if you're new here, hi, my name is Estrellas, your Lagos-based model, makeup artist, and content creator, your go-to girlie for all things beauty, fashion, and inspiration. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello Estrellas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited and happy to have you here again with me. In my last video, I defined what face shapes are, and why it's so important to know yours. If you missed the video, I'm going to have it linked up here, so do make sure you check it out. So today we're going to talk about the 3 other face shape I didn't mention in the last video, which are the round face shape, the square face shape, and the diamond face shape. What is a round face shape? The width and the length of the face are almost equal. They have full cheeks with a soft and curved jawline, no sharp angles, rounded forehead and jawline. If your face is as wide as it is long and you have rounded features with no angles or soft angles, you are most likely to have a round face shape, something like a circle. The square face shape. If your jawline is strong or squared off and have equal width from top to bottom, then you're most likely to be a square face shape. It is a bold and powerful face. Your face is going to have like this boxy or structured appearance, giving like a regular square shape. For the diamond face shape, your cheekbones are the most prominent part of your face. Both your forehead and jawlines are narrow. Your face is angular, especially at the cheekbones, then you're most likely to be a diamond face shape. That means your forehead and your chin area are narrowed or pointy. That makes you have like a diamond shaped face. I hope this explanation gave you how and why to know your face shape. In all this explanation, if you're still confused about your face shape, here's a DIY method you can use to find your face shape. First, pull your hair to the back. Pull your hair to the back so your hairline is visible to you. Then second of all, you're going to stand in front of a mirror. Get a lip liner, a marker, or an eye pencil. Then outline your face on the mirror. Then step back and look at what you drew out, like the outline of your face. What shape does it give you? That is how to know your face shape. Or simply put, you can just take a headshot picture of yourself, then outline the portion of your face. Outline your face from the headshot picture like this. Then what shape does it give you? Compare it with the shapes up here above to see which is yours. I will make an ebook with a more detailed explanation on how to find your face shape, why it is important, and how it can change your makeup game. Trust me, that ebook will change your life and change everything you know about makeup, hairstyling, and fashion. I will inform you once the ebook is out. But for now, we have come to the end of Knowing Your Face Shape Part 2. I can't wait to have you in the next lesson with me. Do stick around because this series is going to benefit you a lot. Do check out Part 1 and don't forget to follow me across all social media platforms. For easy access, I have all that linked down in the description box below. So do make sure you check them out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Shine bright.